Hey there, Lynn Allen. Welcome to another AutoCAD tip courtesy of Cadalyst magazine. All right, today we're going to be talking all about keeping our options open. That's right. We're also going to be talking about taking control of AutoCAD. This will be perfect for you control freaks. All right, so we go into the options dialog box all the time. All right, there's many different ways to get to the options dialog box. But sometimes the options dialog box goes to a specific tab, and other times it goes to the previously selected tab. And I want to make that decision for myself. Oh yeah, I want to decide where it goes, and I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so I typically go into the options dialog box, at least I used to, from the command line. I used to do a right click, and I used to click on options. And this would take me into options, but it always took me to the display tab, which was fine if you want to go to the display tab, but I don't always want to go to the display tab. One would think if I went to a different tab, for example, if I were to click on system, and let's say I leave the options dialog box, and I were to go about this the same way I did before, go right back into options, that it would know that I used to be in the system tab and then I might want to go back there, but oh no, it goes right back to display. That is because when I go to options from the command line, it is hard coded to always go to the display tab on the options dialog box. What? That's kind of annoying. I personally find that annoying. Now, if you go to options, there's a bunch of different options on how to get to options. Am I correct? If you do it a right click in the drawing editor and you go to options, well, that's different. It's a little nicer. It's a little friendlier. It actually goes to the previous selected tab. Look, it went to system. I like that better. How friendly. Thank you for doing that. Appreciate that. Thank you so much. Or if I go to the application menu, the great big A in the upper left-hand corner of the drawing editor, you will see if I click on options here, it also goes to the previous selected tab. It went to system. It's friendly. It's my friend. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I have control. It didn't force me to go to a tab that I didn't want to go to. All right, so, or if you type in options, same deal. Goes to the previously selected tab. I'm going to do a right click. I'm going to go back into options from the command line. I'm going to show you why. I'm just going to hit a cancel to go out of here. I'm going to hit an enter to go right back into that command. Wait, it doesn't go into the regular options command. It goes into this other command, plus options. What? What's up with that? This particular command allows you to specifically tell AutoCAD which tab you want options to go to. So for example, if I type in the number 7, this should technically go to the 7th tab in the options dialog box. Am I right? Well, let me see. It went to 3D modeling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? That's the 8th tab. Well, that's because computers start counting with the number 0. See, they went to very different schools than we did. We start counting with the number 1. They start counting with the number 0. So if that's the case, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, it went to technically the number 7 tab. All right, so let me see what. Let's try this again. Let's hit an enter to go back into plus options, which is a very different command. As I mentioned, let's type in 0. If this is true, if computers really start counting with the number 0, this should go to the Files tab, which is exactly what it did. So if you need to hard code a specific tab to show up in the options dialog box, or if you just want to tell AutoCAD which tab you want it to go to, you can always use plus options. So you will see plus options used a lot in menus. You'll see it used in script files or in list routines. And now you know all about plus options. All right, you can take control. This is perfect if you are a control freak like me. Oh yeah, take control. All right, you learned it here. So I hope you enjoyed that tip. Take control of AutoCAD, and I'm going to see you back here in 2 more weeks. All right, peace out.